My name is Derek Kalani, Director of Sales at Superior Die Set. Since 1923, we have been manufacturing die sets for the stamping industry. We simplify supply chain by carrying an inventory of materials in-house, including A36, Fortel aluminum, 4140, 4340, P20, and Tool-X 44. We have 6 machines dedicated to cutting raw material, including oxygen flame, plasma, and water jet. Stress relieving your die set material assures uniform material characteristics. Our certified welding team is capable of MIG, TIG, submerged arc, carbon arc, and stick welding. We have over 20 grinding machines under one roof. Blanchard grinding up to 160-inch diagonal, alongside surface grinding up to 60 by 80. Superior has 4 duplex edge mills to accurately machine multiple plate surfaces. Our dual spindle milling provides rapid material removal with an outstanding surface finish. We have over 25 machining centers dedicated to machining tapped holes, pockets, keyways, drilling, boring, and handling holes. We take our inspections seriously. We ensure a multi-point inspection process for all plates before they go to assembly. Our assembly process is then completed by our certified and skilled team to achieve a smooth shipping and delivery process. Thanks for watching our video. We are continuing to make technology investments to better serve our valued customers. Join us on our journey back to Superior. Quote us on your next die set.